Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lead magnet. First, understand that a lead magnet is a valuable piece of content or an offer given to potential customers in exchange for their contact information, typically an email address. Its primary goal is to generate leads by attracting your ideal audience and encouraging them to join your email list. This strategy is crucial for nurturing relationships and driving future sales. There are many effective formats for lead magnets. Ebooks and detailed guides are excellent for sharing extensive knowledge, often ranging from 10 to 50 pages. Checklists and templates, on the other hand, provide quick, actionable value, helping your audience achieve a specific task. Consider offering a free trial or a webinar, which can showcase your expertise and give a direct experience of your offerings, building trust and interest. When crafting your lead magnet, begin by deeply understanding your target audience's biggest challenges and desires. Your lead magnet should offer a clear, compelling solution to one of these specific problems. Select a format that naturally suits the content and your audience's preferences. Ensure the content is high quality, well-researched, and provides immediate, tangible value. Aim for clarity and conciseness to maximize its impact and usefulness. Once your lead magnet is ready, effective promotion is key to its success. Embed calls to action on your website, including your homepage, blog posts, and relevant landing pages. Share it actively across all your social media channels, using compelling visuals and clear descriptions. Don't forget to leverage your existing email list by sending out a dedicated announcement. Consider running targeted ads to reach an even broader, relevant audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.